Hey, real straight pros. Imagine if every time you added a tag to your contact or your lead, our AI agent takes over and automatically reach out to them and address by their name and discuss their property, even verified their information as well. Sounds like a game changer. Right. So let's focus on our system. With our cutting edge system, that's exactly what happens as soon as you added a tag here about added a tag to our contact or your lead. Okay, our AI agent takes over and having personalized conversation that are so natural your client won't even realize they are talking to AI. After the call, the agent summarize the conversation and store information in that contact and highlights key points and update the contact record as well. So no more missed opportunities or forgotten follow-ups. Your CRM stay up to date automatically. So let me explain the first outbound call, the outbound system. So this is our retail AI agent, okay, which we are using for our AI agent. So here you can explain and prompt about your business, about what type of services you are providing, okay. Similarly, after that, we are creating here some function as well. Okay, what this function do? This function will give us information. So first of all, I forget one thing. Whenever you added you can say a tag to our your contact below here. Where is the contact here? Our automation will run. Okay, automatically. If you can see trigger, the trigger would be anything. The tag is added, or maybe any pipeline stage is changed. So what our custom have to call, if you can say retail API, automatically create a phone with their custom information with the contact information. So this is how the first procedure make a outbound call. So the next, and here which I explained you earlier about, above here we explain about business, so definitely our AI agent talk accordingly. And below this is the function which we use about what we want to get from the user, like name, phone number, email, and the property address, okay, which they want to sell or buy, whatever the use case, okay. So these are the two things. Now let me explain you the first these information. So whenever call ends, this webhook call will be triggered whenever your agent will get this information. So whenever agent this will get this information, our this automation will run. Okay. So what after outbound call and save user information. So definitely when it call, if you can see the condition, if find a contact in your CRM and then update the information outbound AI call information, as you can see. So similarly, as I explained about in starting about the two things to update call summary and the user information. If you can see this is call summary and outbound AI conference. So this is how it will update this information, what our AI agent get from customer. Okay. Now come to the second part. Second part is that about whenever call end, we added a webhook here. What this webhook do? Basically, this webhook work multiple events, like whenever the call started, whenever call completed, whenever call analyzed. Because our call summary will get event on call analyze. As let me go to the our automation. If you can see, this is automation for this purpose, where I added a condition based on event is call analyze, because the call summary will get on call analyze process. So then we are using find a contact and update on the call summary field. So this is how your outbound feature will work for your AI agent whenever you have to change the tag or pipeline stage or whatever the trigger you want to use. Okay. Now that's not all. For let's go for outbound inbound calls. That's for outbound. Now come to the inbound calls. Our AI assistant springs into an action whenever get any inbound call, gather crucial information from the caller, as we did for the outbound calls, and create a new contact, because in this case we does not exist that contact earlier. So definitely you does not miss any call, because you added your AI agent and you explain, you can say everything. This way every lead is captured and every conversation is documented, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Okay, so let me go to the similarly. I explain as outbound calls. Now come to the inbound calls. So similarly, I explain. You can say I write here our you can say prompt about how our AI agent work, and similarly I added here the function as well. These type of information we should need from the user. So this will work accordingly, and how whenever the call ends for this case, and our this automation will execute, because in this case our contact does not exist. This automation create, and it will create our new contact with the information what we get from the user. So this is how, and we get a user intent as well, and store that as well in a you can say in our crm, in our contacts. So now, whether it's the outbound calls or inbound calls, our AI agent is always working tirelessly to manage your contacts or your leads. So you can focus on closing the deals. This is the future of real estate, and it's here now. As I explained, if you are ready to elevate your business, never miss a beat with your clients. This system is exactly what you need. Don't miss out. Take your real estate game to the next level with your AI powered management solution. Thank you so much. If you have any question or query, do let me know. I added my all info below in description. Thank you so much.